Transitioning service members and veterans evaluating life insurance. What is the difference between term life and permanent life insurance? I'm David Johnson, founder of Fortis Life Group, and this is your Fortis Life Group video resource series. Term insurance is pretty simple. It has an expiration date. For the sake of this conversation, it's usually 10, 20, or 30 years. That is the term of coverage, how long the contract is active as long as you pay your premiums. As an example, I personally have a term and a permanent policy, but my term policy is a 20-year, $1 million policy. I pay a set premium every month, and should I die within that 20-year term, my son gets a tax-free $1 million check. Term is usually the least expensive of all insurance policies. Further, term policies can come with what's called living benefits, usually in the form of a chronic or critical illness rider, meaning if you suffer a chronic or critical illness during the term of the policy, you can access a portion of the death benefit up front. Certain term policies can also convert to permanent policies sometime during the contract life. Lastly, term is the cheaper the younger you are. The problem is, most young people don't think about life insurance. It's usually not until having a family or a major life event that starts kicking in the thought of life insurance. There is never a bad time to start talking about life insurance. Now, permanent life insurance. As long as you keep the contract active by paying the insurance premium, you will have a life insurance policy into the day you die. In other words, somebody's getting paid. There are a few types of policies that fall under the permanent umbrella. You might have heard terms like whole life, universal life, index universal life. All of those fall under the permanent umbrella. When done properly, for the right reason, and funded properly, I am a big supporter of these types of policies. I personally have an index universal life contract with AIG. I have seen it in action year after year. I've seen what these policies can do.